Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, Thailand.
I saw very poor in English, but I try to use English communication with all of you. Dear the representative director of Penang Education Department, on behalf of all visitors, and on 140 visitors, those come visiting in here now. We are so very appreciate and would like to great thank that you and your staff get warm welcome and take very good opportunity to study and receive the most value of your educational management, everything that we saw and hear.